Woo! Thank you, uncle. Welcome to GP's vlogs, and today we are going to Jaipur. I didn't talk about this ride at all. This is a trip where Royal Enfield has invited. Not even a single person knows exactly है क्या. Royal Enfield का हर page पे और हर group में और Instagram, Facebook सब जगह पे you can see that they are posting something about Himalayan, but then we don't know exactly. We just know that we are going to ride. Let's go. I should reach on time because usually I am always late. Taking a shortcut might be. Always scared when I'm in auto and I'm about to reach airport.
मेरे साथ आपकी सेवा में सुल्ताना और रूपाली है। हम आपकी सुखद यात्रा की कामना करते हैं।
Jaipur now, a lot of people around. What's up, guys? We're waiting for our Ola now. So next stop is ITC Rajputana.
Turn left towards Jaipur Road, then turn right onto left.
Reaching hotel. I think then I'll continue talking about what's happening here exactly because I'm also not sure about what's happening. So let's reach hotel. We are in Jaipur, Pink City. भैया आपका नाम क्या है?
पृथ्वीराज।
पृथ्वीराज। पृथ्वीराज। क्या चल रहा है जयपुर में आजकल?
जयपुर में क्या चल रहा है?
हाँ, जैसे कुछ हैपनिंग चल रहा है कि नहीं?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं।
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है। हम यहाँ पे हैपनिंग करने आए हैं। Let's go. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. We have reached ITC Rajputana now. We're waiting for others to come. क्या नाम क्या है?
सजीत सिंह।
सजीत सिंह के साथ हम राजपूताना होटल में खड़े हैं. Let's go inside. Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Nice. Ooh, this room looks beautiful. It's just like everything in this room is so beautiful. Room tour? I think this is the first time I'll be doing a room tour, but then I have to do a room tour on this video in this vlog itself. Okay, so it's time now to go out. Oh, you can go inside? People are divided into groups, and this is a group we have made. What's up? Yeah. Oh shit, who is this?
This guy
Rahul
again.
Gupta. Killer team.
The idea is that we go and cover as many of these points as possible. Now there are 10 points here. At 5 of these locations you will find somebody with a Royal Enfield flag or a tent or something like that.
Take a video in like. Yeah, I can do it in a. I can.
Okay, so basically day one is going to be something about a game where we have to go to a few places which are GPS located in Jaipur, and we need to find those places in Jaipur, and if we find them right, we're going to get points for that. Now we all don't know what those points are going to make us win, but then still that's what Royal Enfield has planned for us. So take your Himalayan, go and ride. Superb, right? Let's see what tomorrow has for us. All you piston hearts out there, don't be an oil can. I'm finding my room. I don't know where my room is. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. I wish to edit today's video. Let's see if I can edit today's video and upload it.